Hello. In affirming my identity a couple of weeks back, I was not trying to insult anybody. I was not trying to belittle anybody. I was only trying to establish facts. You know, that a lot of people came out for me, they insulted me, they asked me to drop Yoruba names. And I laughed at that. I think we've tried to address that a little bit. But the Yorubas have a saying, Yoruba Nero. That is, Yorubas have roots. So when you talk about being Yoruba, you have to be able to trace your root. The story of the people of present Okun land, that's what they're generally called, is very unique. It is the story of Yàgbà. Some say that the word Yàgbà comes from Yàgbà. It may look or even sound very sensible until you look at it deeply. There is no tribe or ethnic group in Nigeria that inherits from the mother side. So where there is an Yàgbà or grandmother or old woman, there is always a husband. She must have a husband. The Yàgbà must have a husband. So let us just say that the word Yàgbà, if you are going to say it comes from a Yàgbà and you cannot prove that a Yàgbà was married to somebody and produced us, then let's say that historically that word does not count. I look around, honestly, most names of ethnic nationalities don't necessarily have a meaning. They don't necessarily have a meaning. The word Yoruba, for example, has no meaning. If you look at it, the word Hausa has no meaning. You know, it's just the way that people identify. But let's not go there. You know, the story of Yàgbà that was relayed to us as children was that three brothers left Ile-Ife and came to Yàgbà land to hunt elephants, because there were elephants in those areas back then, and that they settled in that place. Now, there are two Ifes in Yàgbà history. There is Ile-Ife, which will probably be the cradle of the Yorubas in the present Osun state. Then there is Ife Ijumu, where Professor Ade Obayemi, a renowned scholar, said that, you know, people originated from, including the Yorubas. That was Professor Ade Obayemi's research, backed, I believe, by archaeological facts. He was an archaeologist. He is no longer with us. Then, if our ancestors came from Ile-Ife, as some are claiming, then they must have come from a compound, Agbo-Ile. Nobody has been able to trace their Agbo-Ile either in Ile-Ife or even in Oyole. So in common Yoruba history is that no matter how far back you go with an ancestry, there must always be an Agbo-Ile where you come from. I am Canadian, Nigerian. I come from Okeagi in Mapamoro local government area of Kogi State. If humanity survives 1,000 years and my children and my grandchildren good in this land and they have established in this land, they will keep telling their children where they come from, where their father comes from. So that is how it is done. Nobody comes from a place and throws away their ancestry. So that we cannot trace ourselves to any Agbo-Ile in Ile-Ife. If we came from Ile-Ife, is also a big question mark there. Let's try to find knowledge, because that's all the entire thing is about. You know, to show also that the Yoruba have history. You know, those who can trace their ancestry to Ile-Ife or Oyo are the basic dominant Yoruba ethnic groups. The Yàgbà will be called Ẹ̀gbámọlísàbí. The Ondo will be called Ondo again. The Ìjẹ̀ṣà will be called Ìjẹ̀ṣà Òṣòrè Ọmọ Onílẹ̀ Obì. The Èkìtìs will call themselves Èkìtì-kété, and so on and so forth. If you are Yàgbà and you claim to be a Yoruba, what is your appellation? Kí ni àpèlé rẹ? How do they call you? Do they call you Yàgbà something? It does not happen in my own area. So these are the things that I want us to look at. We're going to probably sit down and look at each and every of these things into greater details, but this is the foundation of my claim to say that I am Yàgbà. I am not an appendage of any ethnic group or any other ethnic nationality. I'm not saying that because I'm interested in politics or anything. No. I'm saying that because I want us to think deep. Because my father has a saying, and I will say it in Yàgbà, Àìjọ ẹyẹ sùlérè bálú híọ. That is, a day is coming when you will be told to your tents, O Israel. We are in an era now when a powerful individual is trying to reclaim or to claim ancestry to a particular part of Yoruba land that is trending socially online. So I don't want us to get to that point, because everywhere our children go and they mention their names and their Yoruboid names, that is, names that sound Yoruba, and they ask them, where do you come from? And they say, Kogi, or when we were Kwara, they say Kwara. They look at them like, are you sure you are Yoruba? So these are the issues I want us to address. Thank you.